So what is up, guys? Today is Wednesday. I'm out here picking up my niece from school. I'm just waiting in line right now. Thought I might as well record the intro to the next video. So I know I do the little like teeth click thing, like I do that a lot. I'm trying to work on that, and I say a lot. If y'all are getting annoyed by that, my bad. I'm trying to work on it, but it's like I talk like that all the time, so it's kind of hard to just change it. But yeah, I don't know if we're gonna do anything this weekend, but for sure gonna try to record something. All right, so what is up, guys? Just wanted to make a small announcement. So today I'm gonna be making my last car payment on the Corvette. You know, pretty proud of myself that I can finally say that I fully own the car. It's not a huge accomplishment, but it's an accomplishment nonetheless. You know, honestly, like, I never thought I was gonna be driving a car like this, and it's really not, you know, that great of a car. It's okay. I try to be humble, you know, but it's still a Corvette nonetheless, and I can say that I own it now. But yeah, I just, you know, just wanted to share that with you guys. There we go. What's happening? Bro, I'll buy your wheels, but take off a 0 and I might think about it. What we about to do, cut?
We're about to put some subs in this bitch.
I bet.
5% tint all around on this bitch.
We're doing 5? Nah, he's at 10, no? He's at 10? 15. I think that's what I have on the vet.
I work on a daily. This is my daily job.
The daily job?
This is my 9 to 5 right here.
Must be nice. Haven't seen what's going on with this yet. The vet is chilling outside right now. Right now it's what? 9:24. We'll see how long this takes. G said about 2 hours. I don't know how long Sammy's gonna take on this, but Sammy left real quick with the homie Alejandro, and he'll be back in a few. I don't know what they went to go do, but G's about to get started. Let's see how long it takes. Bye. All right, Sammy, what are we doing to the whip?
We're gonna just wire in the headlights with 4 gauge.
Hold on.
Oh, yes.
They're gonna copyright me for the music.
Hello.
I might just talk over this.
Or put some like elevator music over this.
Yeah, that's well, one of the videos actually where Danny was the thumbnail. Yeah. They took it down because they got copyright striked.
For what?
I can't remember. I don't think it says for what. It just says they got copyright striked, and I can't even look at the video anymore, so I can't tell what it was. I don't know what music I used. I think I'm gonna put a Key Glock song in there. I don't know. Wow.
Wait, do you have an aftermarket head unit in this?
No.
Shit.
Because of what he did in his, he used this. He plugged it into his...
Oh yeah, we can do it to your car, to your stereo. That converts the amperage from the OEM amp, if this has one, to signal to for the fucking sub.
Yeah, that's all I use.
Oh yeah. I was actually gonna ask you, how do you do that?
Because he's too hot. That's why.
No, you'd find out.
You gatekeeping ass fool. Sammy, no, don't help him. Don't help him put the audio in anymore.
I bet.
I bet. Real quick.
There's a dildo that says Ford Gerard.
Just FYI, the only way to get the grounding or the power cable from the battery to the cabin is through here. There's a grommet in there, so that's why we're messing with all this stuff. If we didn't have to, we wouldn't. It's not our car, so. Yeah, exactly, I'm saying.
Alright, so I'm gonna remove those two, these back ones.
Yeah, you do that. I'm here for moral support. Wow, how's it going?
Good so far.
Oh, say, oh, that looks way better.
Not till we do this one.
Messed up or what? That's tough. That's tough. So I don't know how well y'all can hear me, but Sammy's putting back together the glove box right now. I'm cleaning up a ground right now. As you can hear, I have the air hose going, so I can use this little I'm drawing a blank, but I'm using that thing to clean up the ground. I'm using the ground or the mounting bolts from this seat right here, and then Sammy's done routing that power cable. Like we said before, we had to route it through the glove box, all along through here, and then the amp is gonna be over here in the back seats. But yeah, supposedly G's girl doesn't know we're doing this, so I guess it's kind of a surprise. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't take us much longer, and I think G's almost done with Sammy's car. The tint's looking pretty good so far. So ground is in right there, as you can see. Sammy got done putting back up everything back over there. Look at this dude, what, bro, you gonna die. But yeah, now I think Sammy's just gonna set up the amp and everything back over here. He knows about that stuff. I really don't know too much about that.
I don't know.
Skitterly dub dub dub. Yes, yes, yes. And then G is over there with the car. G, how's it going with the tint? Oh, very nice. All right, Mr. Sam, explain to us, what is you doing?
Some gangsta shit, trying to get this shit open so I don't have to go buy new ring terminals.
All right, so right now we just got done putting some solder on these and heat shrink. So hopefully they work. This one's still a little warm. But yeah, I think everything's gonna go back here. All right, so what's up? What's the word, Bird?
Sleep.
Sleep?
Grind don't stop. We don't never sleep.
Grind don't stop, huh? So basically, we basically got done with both cars, right? Kinda, sorta. Tint was done. It's just a couple things with this, with the speakers and stuff, but just gotta wire in a fuse, right? But that's not a big deal. I'm sure I have one at my house chilling, so I could grab one of those. But yeah, it's late, super cold, and we finna go home, cause yeah, no, F the cold, huh? Alright, bet. Alright, Sam, what are we doing? Oh yeah.
Some unprofessional audio installs.
Oh, I'm down. Look at Andres.
Andres, get away from the car.
He's trying to take it out for a ride.
What are you doing?
What the heck?
Did he put the key in?
Hopefully he didn't scratch it. I was buffing my car yesterday. Did I tell you?
No.
Turned out pretty good. Took out a bunch of scratches.
Yeah, Jesus in the backseat.
What are those others?
Bro. So the homie Lalo's working on his audio stuff right now. It's crazy. Damn. Damn. Alright, so show them what's up, Sam. Show them what's up. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, bro. Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah.
$40.
$40, huh? That's not bad. Not bad at all. We had some trouble getting the radio in, but it's all good. Now, at a later date, we're gonna set up all the all the amp and sub stuff. But for now, the radio's in, so he doesn't have to drive to work all boring with no music.
Put the speaker in the crevice.
Ghetto boys. But yeah, it's all done for now. All right, so finally heading home. We didn't really get too much done today. We just mounted up Samuel's new radio. We had some troubles with it because the radio wouldn't line up right with the mounting bracket that the car came with, so we had to drill into it and stuff and adjust it a little bit. It didn't come out perfect, but we're gonna have to take the radio back out anyway to wire up his RCA cables and any other cables we need to whenever we do his subs and his amp. But he might do that on his own time. I'm not really too sure. But yeah, that's really pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching again. If you guys have any recommendations or anything like that, please comment down below. Appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate all the likes, all the subscribers, and everything like that. See you guys next time.